Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital stuff on Etsy. First, identify a profitable niche for your digital products. Research current trends and customer demands on Etsy to understand what buyers are looking for. Consider your unique skills and interests to create offerings that stand out. This foundational step is crucial for attracting your first 100 customers and building a successful online shop from the ground up. Next, focus on creating high-quality digital products using appropriate design software. Prepare compelling product mock-ups and listing photos that showcase your items beautifully. Write clear, keyword-rich titles and descriptions to help buyers find your products easily. Crucially, set up instant download delivery for your digital files, ensuring a seamless experience for your customers. This automation saves you countless hours, allowing you to focus on creativity. Now, let's talk about pricing and promotion. Determine competitive pricing based on the value you offer and thorough market research. Utilize Etsy's search engine optimization, or SEO, to improve your product visibility, aiming for top search results. Promote your shop through social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram, reaching thousands of potential buyers. Consider offering introductory promotions or product bundles to attract your initial 20 to 30 customers. Finally, providing excellent customer support is key to long-term success. Respond promptly to inquiries and gather feedback to continuously improve your products and services. Analyze your sales data to identify best-selling items and understand customer preferences. Explore new product ideas to expand your shop's offerings, aiming to add at least 5 new designs each month. This iterative process helps you grow your brand and maintain a thriving business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.